Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a Christmas cheese ball. Kind of a festive thing this time of year. Don't buy cheese balls in the store. They're way overpriced, and it's super simple to do. I'll take you through the steps. A child can do this. By the way, this is a perfect dish for children to make when you're doing your Christmas cooking because it's no cook. So, to my mixing bowl, I have two 8-ounce packages of cream cheese that I let get up to room temperature. I have 2 cups of cheddar cheese that I shredded up in my food processor, along with 1.5 cups of Monterey Jack cheese. Now I'm adding a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And just going to slowly start mixing this around. And now that we've pretty much got it mixed, time to add the last ingredient, which is 1 pack of ranch seasoning mix. Put the paddle attachment down and slowly incorporate everything. And that's pretty much it. Once all this is mixed together, I will show you the next step. Okay, now we've added some crushed chopped pecans. As you can see, I formed all that mix into a nice ball. Basically, this should have the consistency of Play-Doh. If you know how to play with Play-Doh, you can roll this into a ball. Like I said, they're absolutely super duper easy to make. And this is pretty much it. You just want to cover as much as possible with the pecans, or as little as possible. This is entirely up to you. Okay, and then I'm using some parchment paper here, but traditionally I would have used wax paper, but I didn't know I was out of wax paper till I was done. And then, you just want to wrap this up and keep it in the fridge for at least 24 hours. And then bring it to your next Christmas party, office party, or whatever. And that's it. A Christmas cheese ball. Done.